Hello everyone, this is Tamanna and Trisha. Welcome to our project presentation. Our project aims to showcase the gender gap between men and women in different aspects across the globe. Uh, this is the main page of our website. So here we have three links. The first link will redirect to a definition of gender gap, which is the main definition from the World Bank. The number two link, it will redirect us to our source of data, that is also data from World Bank. And the third one is our visualization. Here I want to mention that the main motivation of this project is to encourage people to involve in this kind of research to understand how the gender gap is there in the whole world. So to show the gender gap, we have selected three indicators. These are employment, education, and participation in the labor forces. So first of all, we have a world map here. We can select the indicators from this drop down. Initially, it will show the GDP for all over the country. And if we click any of this country, it will show the country name and its current GDP. Next, if we select any indicator, let's say education, the color will change according to the percentage. So it will distribute it like high literacy, upper middle literacy, lower middle literacy, and lower literacy. And the gray one is where the data is not known. So if we click any country here, it will show the country name, that is Niger, and that country's women's literacy. And additionally, for example, in Colombia, women literacy is 93.67%, and this is 0.18% less than men. And it will show the maximum women literacy in which country, that is Estonia, which is 99.91%. Similarly, for other indicator too, it will show it will change the color, and it will show that specific countries employment, women employment, how much it is less than men, and the maximum women wages in which country, that is Qatar, 99.61%. Now if we want to zoom into region wise, we can click on this sunburst. So if we click here, it will show the region name, and we can select any country from here, for example, Italy. Now, upon clicking on the sunburst, we can see the comparison of women and men from the year 2000 to 2016. Each bar chart represents the women data, and the line chart represents the men data. So we can easily see how the country is doing in terms of the gender gap. Similarly, when we click on any country in the world map, it will also, when we click on the world map, it will also change the data here. So we can see the gap between the men and women. Lastly, we have a heat map. So this heat map shows for each indicator, it shows how the comprehensively how all of the country are doing for last couple of years. For example, a few countries are improving their women participation rate over the year, and few countries are continuously in the very good position. So user can look upon any country and see how they are doing in terms of the selected indicator. So thus, by this visualization, user can completely understand how the gender gap situation is now in the country, and we hope this project will help people to be more interested in this kind of research. Thank you so much.